Hi, in front of me I have HAFURY Note 10 and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap OK to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. When this menu appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. Now use the volume up button to scroll through the menu and select recovery mode, then press the volume down button to confirm. When this screen appears, press and hold the power button, then press volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and press volume up to continue. And we enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu, use the volume down and volume up buttons, and to confirm the selection, press the power button. Let's scroll down and select wipe data / factory reset, then press the power button. Here scroll down to yes and press the power button to confirm. When the process is complete, make sure that the reboot system now is selected and press the power button to confirm. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.